Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on today's video I have a tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how I went about creating these beautiful beach mermaid nails, and the inspiration came from this picture right here, and here's the credit to it's the Alina Hoyo. This is a picture that I saved on my favorites on Instagram, and ever since I saw it I knew I wanted to recreate that. Now I did not use the glitter like she did here. Instead I used cat eye polish and yeah, everything else, and I kind of changed the order of the design there because I wanted the cat eye on my index finger instead of the pinky. But yes, and now I will go ahead and tell you, after I did this, so it was completely white, and yes, I finished it with a matte top coat. But I noticed, if you know, to create, I needed to give it more depth and to make these, I don't know, the ridges look more raised. I needed more shadowing in there. So what I used, it was kind of like a last minute thing. Wasn't sure how I was going to do it because I didn't know how it was. I used a hard builder gel to create the look on the shell, and I didn't know how well it was going to blend with my white gel polish, so it was practically seamless. And really, you do want to see those ridges in there. So to create the shadow, believe it or not, I use this is eyeshadow. This is a MAC pigment powder that I've had for years now. And after I did that, because I didn't know what it did, added a little bit of shimmer. And that was after it was completed with the matte top coat, and I thought I was gonna have to go and finish it with matte top coat. Believe it or not, I've left it overnight, taken a shower, and there is still enough sheen of or shadow there from the powder to give it that three-dimensional look, okay, without me having to add any more top coat, because I didn't want to add more top coat because I didn't want to lose it. Okay, the more top coat you add, then you start losing that 3D. But yeah, that's all I wanted to mention. Now I will leave you with a tutorial. If you guys have questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.